So this is what you get A mid by 1 plus j f by fh plus A mid into beta after applying the LCM and simplification. Next step, same as usual, we are going to separate the real term and imaginary term, and I'm going to divide by 1 plus A mid into beta, numerator and denominator. Same thing what we did for lower cutoff frequency, we are doing the same thing. So numerator is A mid by 1 plus A mid beta divided by 1 plus j into f by 1 plus A mid beta into fh. So you know A mid by 1 plus A mid into beta is AF mid. And this term 1 plus j into f by 1 plus A mid beta into fh. And I am denoting except f, whatever other terms I have, I'm denoting it as 1 by fh, FHF. So FHF will be 1 plus, so this entire term will be 1 plus A mid beta into FH. So whatever denominator I have, I'm denoting it as FHF. FHF is the higher cutoff frequency with feedback. See, how to group the terms? Inga enna format irukko, same format only you have to group 1 by 1 plus j f by fh, correct? Same way, see here, 1 by 1 plus j f by some big terms. So group that big terms to be FHF. Okay, group those terms to be FHF. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus AF mid by 1 plus j into f by 1 plus A mid beta into FH. So 1 plus A mid beta into f, I'm going to group it as FHF. So FHF is the upper cutoff frequency with feedback. And as you can see, it is multiplied by 1 plus A mid into beta. So the upper cutoff frequency will rise. So the upper cutoff frequency will be increasing. So as we predicted, the lower cutoff frequency got reduced. Okay, the lower cutoff frequency got reduced. The upper cutoff frequency got increased. So naturally, I can say the bandwidth is going to be improved. From the equation you see, we can say that the upper cutoff frequency with feedback is always greater than the upper cutoff frequency without feedback because it is multiplied by a factor, and that factor is a very large number multiplied by 1 plus A mid into beta. So thereby, if you are going to introduce negative response, negative feedback, the high frequency response of the amplifier is very much improved. So low frequency response is improved, high frequency response is improved, lower cutoff frequency is getting reduced, upper cutoff frequency is increased. So the bandwidth is effectively going to be